So when we go to the junkyard, we typically just take a can of starting fluid and jump pack. That's it. And then we're making some money, and then we're making deals. All right, guys, check it out. It fired. Look at what's coming with it, though. Just hella dirt up. Bees! Bees! We're going to drag this pile up there with the tractor and try and get you guys a video, I guess, of the old Extreme 125 Typhoon garbage quad. We're just mashing it now. Got her. Secured it. Mesh. That makes it easy on me. Alright, look at this pile of caca. You guys are seeing it right. Look at there, look at there. 4-speed semi-auto. Whew. I usually buy these when I see them on Marketplace because the real reason is that you can take and turn them into a 3-wheeler, like that one over there, with full suspension. And then don't worry about the plastic. Like, we should wash it first, but this shit'll buff out. This shit'll buff out. See, we'll just make it green instead. We gotta wash it first, it'll work. Just got the carb off, you got the tank drained, and it is empty. Oh, it's one of the powder ones?
Yeah,
Scarface. They're getting that powder. That must have been what was coming out of the tailpipe earlier. We're gonna see why they call them extreme. Extreme! 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 It's extreme! Extreme! Freaking extreme! No brakes, extreme! Don't run, extreme! Freaking 4-stroke, extreme! Extreme! Busted ass crusty finish, extreme! Probably no brakes, let me guess, no brakes. Oh, all brakes, it's got all brakes. Motherfucker won't roll. Oh my God. It got all brakes, y'all. Dang, poor motor. We'll clean the carburetor. We're not sure if we're getting fuel yet, but we're gonna give her a couple tries. Oh, you got the choke on? Nice. We can hook it to the jumper if you want. So the carb's leaking pretty good and the petcock leaks pretty good. So we're gonna try and switch over to this petcock and see if we get lucky. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't think it's the same one, but we'll see. All right, guys, y'all wanna talk about high performance and speed? A lot of y'all trying to tune a carburetor when this is your problem. Look here now. Come on, Kiaka. Oh, bro, you broke the fucking plat. Don't be breaking. Dude, what did you do to the plat? Oh,
Oh, could you?
Mashed it. You're like, I gotta make room for the choke. Just punch up this carbine extreme in it. Oh yeah, it's all the way open. It's gonna be quarter throttle. Blew it up. Extreme, extreme, extreme. Mash. You think it's getting wide open? This all feels fucked. Yeah.
Yeah. Coward, what a beater.
This brake works.
Oh.
I don't want to go. E-brake. Hammer the e-brake. I mean, it's kind of cool, but damn, dude, I don't like it only having 3 gears.
Yeah.
It slides easy though, huh?
Yeah. Little tiny tires.
Oh yeah, for sure. Just so wide and low.
First gear is like nothing.
Oh, I know. You almost, yeah, you need second gear. It runs out of top end. Pull it over there. We'll try and see if the pressure washer will take it. That's from your knife the other day, remember?
Yeah.
See if the pressure washer will get up in there. Crunch, bro. Thing's so fast. Oh, she's dead.
She died.
It runs pretty good.
Yeah.
But I've never had one that was a 3-speed, dude.
Oh, dude, I think it's only a 90.
Yeah, usually they're 125s. This is probably, dang, I've never had one of these that was a 90 either. Damn, that makes more sense.
Yeah. It says on that tag.
What a piece of shit. We're gonna see if this pressure washer will get it anywhere near blue, but I doubt it.
We need that blue back.
Yeah, dude. Dang, boys. Getting up in there. Just snapped it in half. They just put a new one on for us before we went and got it.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
An external full rebuild on the kicker shaft. Well, that probably why she don't shift. She probably don't have no oil in her house. Testing out the old Extreme 125.
Fucking thumb is killing me. traction with this piece of shit.
So it won't roll backward because the brake's stuck?
Yeah.
Damn, aim this way. If you can get the ass end to kick over there, you should be good. Dude, this thing's a... beast, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, your front tires won't even roll. They're so stuck. Like, even going forward, it's like you're hitting the brake. It's just sitting the front end up. Here, I'll go get a strap and I'll pull you up with the bombardier. Your front tires won't even roll. They're so stuck.
Fucking wheel's stuck. I keep turning.
It turns you back around.
Yeah, dude. The wheel not even turning. Yeah.
They're literally, dude, watch. Try and spin that.
Locking up, bro. Like the whole time, just I can't even spin it.
Dude, you were driving, going up that hill, and it would just stop. It's supposed to rain at the end of the week. We got to disconnect them brakes and try that again. Like,
Oh yeah. Dude.
give it a fair shot, because it would have been getting, like, we couldn't build any momentum, dude. Every time we tried to,
Yeah, no.
it would slow us down so much.
Yeah.
Dude, that thing will be fun. Guys, be sure and get up in there. We have got videos going up every Tuesday and Thursday for all of November. Razor 170 rebuild we're doing, going up here pretty quick. And lots of others, guys. We appreciate it.